How to fix Logitech Pro X mic not working. I'm going to tell you how to fix your Logitech Pro X mic when it's not working. First, check your connections. If you're using the USB sound card, make sure it's firmly plugged in and you're using the included cable. Step 1. Open Logitech G Hub. Make sure your headset is detected and the mic isn't muted in the software. Step 2. Go to your PC sound settings. Under Input, set Logitech G Pro X as your default mic. Step 3. Check the detachable mic itself. Unplug it and reattach. Make sure it clicks in properly. Still not working? Try another USB port or skip the sound card and plug directly into your PC's combo jack. You can also test the mic on a different device to rule out hardware issues.